Hi there, this is Jacob Nash Algebra Lessons, and this is Unit 6, Lesson 10, on solving for x in the superscripts. So, I don't know if that's the exact formal way I could say this, but I made this lesson because you sometimes have problems where you need to find what x is, but it's in the exponents, so you have to do something different. And these are what steps you do. And the problem, I have to give credit to Trash Can Academy. That's where this problem's from, and don't ask me why I don't like that, because then this video would be hours long. But I only use their problem because I know that some teachers sometimes use this as a resource, yet they have things on there that aren't in the curriculums anymore, or ever were. So I figured out that there's problems like this sometimes, and so some people may need to know how to solve these. So let's see. When you are in a situation like this, you need to make the bases alike first, and then you need to multiply. Step 2 doesn't really make sense. Like, I didn't know how to put it into words, but you'll see what I mean when we do it. And then you need to, then you can eliminate the bases. So these are, as a review, the bases are the 5 and 125 in this case. So we could eliminate those and then just have these equal to each other once we do that. And then you solve as normal. So if we need to first make the bases alike, what can we do? We have 5 and 125. There's not an exact mathematical way to do it, but you might just have to think like this. 5 to what power could equal 125? Or you could even think 5 equals 125 to, and you take the root of whatever. But hopefully we could know that you can make 5 cubed equal 125. But what you have to do is you can't do this and then have 125 on one side. We're not trying to make them look like that. If we need to make them the same, so they have to both be 5. So we just have 5 and then 5 we change 125 to a 5, and then we make it cubed. Because then they would be these are not equal, I realize that, but we're really figuring out how to make these equal. Whatever you do needs to be equal there. Hopefully that makes sense. So now we have 5 cubed, and what the step 2 I meant is, since we made this 5 cubed, you need to multiply that by the things that are in here, like this. So then after we do that, we can eliminate the bases because they're alike. So we have 7x equals 15, or sorry, plus 15 equals this. Distribute that, we get 6x minus 21. Then you get x plus 16 equals negative 21. And then you have minus 15. Then you have x equals negative 36. That would be our answer for that. Well, that seems like a strange answer. Let's see. Let's plug in to see if we got it right. Oh, what in the world? Yeah, I thought that seemed weird. That this is a 5, not a 15. I don't know why I did that. Let's change all these. Plus 5, and then minus 5. So that means negative 26, which still seems like an interesting answer. So let's plug it in. Okay, so 5 to the power of 7 times negative 26 plus 5, or I meant to do, I accidentally did times 6, or plus 6. It's 5. You get 0. We have 0 on the left side, so let's see if the right side equals 0 too. It does, so that is the correct answer. So thank you for watching this video, and there is no test review that I have for this unit, but please feel free to rewatch videos if needed. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video, which will be in our last unit. Thanks for watching.